Hi beautiful people, and welcome back once again to the Active for Use channel. I know everybody is doing great and feeling fine. Let's just keep our heads up and let's just pray to God. So today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe that your family is going to love. Guys, at this time you just need to eat something that are very nutritious. Have to make the simplest food very nutritious at this time to help us build our immune system. I bet you your kids are going to love this, your husband, your wife, your friends, everybody is going to love it. So here are the ingredients that I have. I have carrot, celery, cabbage, green and red bell pepper. I have seasoning mix. I will leave everything in the descriptive box. Soy sauce and chicken. Guys, everything that I'm using in this recipe, they are all like leftover vegetables from my fridge. So here I have water on fire boiling. So in the water, what I have are pieces of beetroot. I just added in a little bit of oil, about just teaspoon. So I have the beetroot in. It's been boiling for about 8 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the beetroot and then I'll blend it and we will add it in our recipe later on. So here I went ahead to add in my the noodles to it. I used about 3.5 pack of noodles. And guys, this is the texture you are going to for. Don't overcook your noodles. So here I drained the water from the noodles and I went ahead and added the beetroot puree that I blended. I blended it into puree and then I added it to it and then I gave it a stir and set it aside. So here I have my saucepan on fire. I just went ahead and added in a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. I'm so sorry guys, about 2 tablespoons of oil on it, and then I just went ahead and then added in my chicken. So guys, I marinated this chicken with some salt, garlic powder, ginger powder. I did it overnight. I think I did it last night. You can do it for about 45 minutes. You just want to season your chicken very well. So here I just put it in the oil and I'm trying to just turn it over. I went ahead and then added in some of the mixture, the seasoning mixture. So what is in my seasoning mixture is pepper, this pepper powder, and then the spices on the noodles. I'm using that the sachet spice, that chicken spices that are always on the noodles. I didn't use it to cook the noodles, so that is what I'm using. So I'm using about 3.5 of the noodles, but I used only 1 pack of the sachets. You don't want to overuse your spices. So here I went ahead and then I added in some soy sauce to it, and then now the chicken is ready. So I'm taking the chicken from the saucepan. Then we go to the next stage of our recipe. Guys, this is very simple and your family is going to love it. My kids love it. Dacty ate it and she really enjoyed it. She said this is red noodles. Like, she was just happy with the color made everything so beautiful, guys. So here I added a little bit of oil, about 1 teaspoon of oil, and then I went ahead and added in the onions, and then I went ahead and then added in my everything that I'm using in this recipe is like leftover from the fried rice recipe and everything. So I just went ahead and added in my carrot, green bell pepper, and the red bell pepper to it at this time. But you can use the choice of vegetables in this recipe is optional. You can use what you have. These were the vegetables that I have in my fridge. And guys, at this time we are not wasting food, everything comes in house. So you can use any vegetable that you want. So here, if you know me, you know that I always want to season my vegetables so that they will taste good on their own. So here I went ahead and then seasoned the vegetables with some of the seasoned mixture, and I'm now adding in the cabbage. and the celery. So I went ahead and then added that one in, and then I seasoned that step as well with some of the seasoning powder. So that is what I'm doing right now, guys. This recipe is everything. It was so simple and easy to make, but so filling. I'm telling you, like you will be filled with it. So look at how beautiful the vegetable is. It's looking so beautiful, guys. You can even make this like at this point and then use it to eat your plain rice or anything. I'll bring up a recipe on how I make this, my fried veggies. So at this time I'm going ahead to add in the chicken. So I added in the chicken to it, and guys, everything is done. So I'm going to add the chicken to it and then give it a stir. Fried it for about 5 minutes, and then voila, here comes the queen of the day. That is the noodles. That is the beetroot noodles, guys. Just look at the color. You can add more beetroot if you want the color to be very vibrant, but I didn't want the color to be so vibrant, and besides I didn't have a lot of beetroot at home. I only had one left, so that is what I used. So look at it, and then you just give it a stir. Let it be on fire for about 3 to 4 minutes, and almost your food is ready. So this is it, guys. Just look at it, so ready, and the smell in my kitchen was everything. The smell was so good. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I know that you guys are staying safe, following all the safety measures, staying at home as much as you can, and not going out, having a good time with your family and everything, talking to your friends on phone. At this time, we all need to abide by the rules and the regulations set up by the authorities so that we all stay safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. And until we meet again, please stay safe, and let's pray to God for his protection and mercies. Bye. Thank you.